Do you know how often we should change our CPAP's intake filter? Yes, we should change it every month or as recommended by the manufacturer. Why is it important to change it regularly? The filter collects dust, pollen, and other particles, preventing them from entering our airways. If it's not changed regularly, it can become clogged, reducing the effectiveness of the machine and cause health issues. How do we change it? It's easy. First, turn off the CPAP machine and unplug it. Then, locate the filter, remove it, and replace it with a new one. Finally, plug the machine back in and turn it on. Do not attempt to clean and/or reuse CPAP filter, as this could lead to health problems. It's essential for our health and the effectiveness of the machine. It's a small task that can make a big difference. We hope this video was helpful, and remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Entacare if you have any questions.